So that's methanol, and the last one is isopropyl alcohol. And the sequence is because one dissolves the other. And IPA also dehydrates the surface and evaporates. Okay, try that.
Yeah.
Put it at an angle.
At an
Yeah,
angle?
dip it like that. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
And then put it straight.
Just kind of get it wet from the edge. There we go. That's, oh yeah, there you go. There's a lot of action there. We can put this back.
So we're right at about 2 minutes, maybe 12 minutes, you think?
We'll restart it. So what this RCA1 is doing is oxidizing the silicon and removing the silicon at an equal rate. Yeah, that's the, that may not be all the reaction with the silicon. This will also attack organics. So if there's organic residues, there might be some leftover photoresist. All of that is being removed now. But it is, yeah, it is active, right? It's doing a lot of bubbles. All right, let's go do the transfer. So bring it to the DI water bath. Drain it off as much as you can. And don't worry about spills. Yeah, that's all right. Just bring it here. Rinse. Yeah, just let it sit for, I don't know, a few seconds. Yeah, and then go ahead and put it into the second one, RCA2. Yeah, go straight to it. So this is the hydrochloric mixture that's going to remove metals, and any metal hydroxides. So this ammonium hydroxides would have created some metal hydroxides based on the remnant metals there. So that's all going to get removed in the RCA2. This is not used for deposition. Originally, this was built for etching, but this is long time ago, which I repurposed it for cleaning. So it's a plasma cleaning right now. Oxygen plasma is what I'm running. This is the inside. This is the anode. This whole thing at the bottom is anode. Your sample will go on this anode plate. This is the anode side of the parallel plate. The cathode side is up here. This is the cathode, so water is running through it. The electrical connection is made to it. All right, we can pump this. It's fairly easy. So pump. So there it is. And the pressure will register here. That's in torrs. So it's 2 torrs, 1 point. It bottoms out at 300 millitorrs. I'll run oxygen. That'll raise the pressure. So this is known as the base pressure. And then we'll add oxygen to it. So that brings it up to about 600 millitorrs. There it is. So we can turn on the plasma and you'll see the ignition. So when I turn that on, it's 250 watts is what's being set. So oxygen is mostly a whitish type glow. If I switch it to argon, it'll turn bluish. So I'm going to switch it to argon and turn off the oxygen. So oxygen is used for cleaning wafers because oxygen produces O free radicals, and that's very reactive. It'll eat up all the hydrocarbons like oils and photoresist and things like that. Argon can be used. It's inert, but it's still bombarding the surface, so it's a physical removal. Just like sputtering,